Hello and welcome to PRINCE2 Foundation training from One World Training. Projects in controlled environments. This training material has reproduced text, images, diagrams, and tables under license from Axelos Limited, who own the Managing Successful Projects with PRINCE2 6th edition, or the 2017 edition that is. The swirl logo is a trademark of Axelos Limited, used under permission of Axelos Limited, all rights reserved. Firstly, about ourselves. One World Training is a global training, consulting, and business simulation company having its offices in the USA, the Netherlands, UK, India, Malaysia, UAE, Oman, and South Africa. We at One World Training help organizations in digital transformations. We believe gamification and business simulation is the best way to influence attitude, behavior, and culture to teach new concepts. We provide ITIL project management, that is PRINCE2, PMP, CAPM, GDPR, DevOps, AI, blockchain, cloud, ISO standards, and many more trainings and consulting services. One World Training is an authorized training organization and endorsed by leading global professional bodies such as Axelos, PeopleCert, Exin, DASA, Gaming Works, and 1W-Cert. We also provide innovative IT solutions and services to help your organization become a digital winner. About the trainer. My name is Muralidhar Gadam, Murali in short. I'm a certified trainer and course advisor for ITIL 4, PMP, CAPM, PRINCE2, MSP, Verism, and DevOps. Verism is service management for the digital age. It's an operating model. MSP stands for Managing Successful Programs. I have several years of IT and project management experience, and I have worked with global teams in several countries. I use my real-world work experience to deliver my trainings. I supported diverse industries in leading organizations. I'm a computer engineer by education and a certified corporate trainer and coach. About the exam. PRINCE2 Foundation is a 1-hour exam with 60 multiple choice questions requiring 33 correct answers to pass. The exam is invigilated. It's a closed book exam without negative marking. The exam is tested using Bloom's taxonomy of remembering and understanding only. The exam doesn't test based on application of concepts, analysis, evaluation, or creation. So if you look at the two bottom levels, remember and understand in the Bloom's taxonomy, they are applicable for the foundation exam. Therefore, you need to recall facts and basic concepts and also explain ideas or concepts in the exam. About the syllabus. The foundation exam includes content from the official publication or manual from Axelos, which is Managing Successful Projects with PRINCE2 6th edition, which is the same as the 2017 edition. The exam has a specific syllabus. Therefore, the publication also has some non-examinable content. The course objectives for the foundation course. Understand the PRINCE2 method of project management. Develop the ability to work in PRINCE2 projects or to manage projects using PRINCE2 method. Gain confidence to appear for and pass the PRINCE2 Foundation exam as well as practitioner. However, note that for the practitioner, there is additional material and training. Expand your knowledge about project management. In this training program, we will understand the following. What is PRINCE2? Benefits of PRINCE2? Operations versus projects, project management, and performance targets. Projects in context, the PRINCE2 integrated environment. What makes a project a PRINCE2 project? Meaning there are some specific rules for a PRINCE2 project. The 7 principles of PRINCE2 in detail. Then we move to tailoring and adopting PRINCE2, tailoring the themes and processes, tailoring example, tailoring in various contexts or situations. Note that for the foundation exam, tailoring is not in-depth. It is just covered briefly. And we need to understand the meaning of adoption. However, adoption itself is not in the syllabus for the foundation exam as well as the practitioner exam. Then we also cover the 7 themes and the 7 processes in detail. We begin with an introduction to PRINCE2. PRINCE2, or Projects in Controlled Environments, is a de facto process-based method for effective project management. It is used by the UK government and private sector and is widely recognized and practiced internationally. PRINCE2 has its origins in the 1970s from a private company eventually acquired by the British government from a practice perspective and made globally available as the PRINCE2 method. PRINCE2 was last revised in 2017, also known as the PRINCE2 6th edition. It is a generic method, meaning it can be tailored and applied to any project regardless of project scale, type, organization, geography, or culture. And as we know, PRINCE2 is a registered trademark of Axelos Limited because it is owned by Axelos. There are several benefits of using PRINCE2. It is a proven best practice governance for project management based on several successful projects. It can be tailored and scaled as per organization needs, project size, and complexity. It can be applied to any type of project in any industry. It is widely recognized and understood with a common vocabulary for everyone. It ensures focus on viability of the business case, meaning there is a justification always for a PRINCE2 project, and this justification is maintained and reviewed throughout the duration of the project. It promotes learning from experience and continual improvement. PRINCE2 is supported by a worldwide network of exam institutes, accredited training organizations, and consulting partner experts from Axelos Limited for adoption. It provides for the explicit recognition of project responsibilities. There is a defined structure for accountability, delegation, authority, and communication. Its product focus clarifies for everyone what a project will deliver, why, when, by whom, and for whom. PRINCE2 plans are designed to meet the needs of the different levels in the management team, thereby improving communication and control. It is based on the management by exception framework, providing for the efficient and economic use of management time. It ensures that the stakeholders, including sponsors and resource providers, are properly represented in planning and decision making. For the exam, you may have to specifically remember this last one, that the stakeholders are properly represented in planning and decision making, as well as the product focus and the plans are designed to meet the needs of the different levels. And the purpose of planning is to improve communication and control. These are a little off track from the usual benefits of PRINCE2. That's why I have highlighted them.